Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, sorry I have been posting no videos guys. Okay, actually I had exams, then I had like festivals, so sorry for that. Now today I want to thank you all for 1000 subscribers. Okay, thank you all for 1000 subscribers guys. Okay, like it wouldn't have been possible if you guys haven't subscribed. Okay, so thank you. And okay, so this video will be trying to complete Tower of Hell part 3. Okay, so let's go. Okay, oh no, I got stuck. That was so good. Okay, let me come over here and come. Yeah, now we'll come over here. Okay, someone bought invincibility, so that's good. That's literally good. I can complete it damn easily. Okay, guys, if I can't complete this round, then you guys, if you want me to bring more trying to complete Tower Hell parts, then you have to you have to get this video at least 100 likes. Okay, 100 likes guys. Get this video 100 likes, and I will do this series. Okay, I will keep doing this series until I finish. If I finish in this video only, actually after this video also there is going to come another. Okay, there's going to come another part of it, because this is actually with the help of what do you say this right, mutators. With the help of mutators we are doing it, so that's why that can't count, but it's okay. Okay, so this will be like with the title will be trying to complete Tower Hell part 3 with mutators. So let's see now. If I complete in this also, there is going to be new like there's going to be part 4, because this is with the help of mutators. So that's why. Oh, what just happened? I literally don't know. Yeah, so let me come over here. Yeah, I can complete it guys. I can really complete it, because right now I am in the second last one, then I'll go to last one. So this is a bit easy actually. See, I'm now in the last one, and someone is already in. Oh, I don't like this one guys, because you can fall anytime. That's why I don't like this one. So I can fall anytime guys. Okay. Whoa, no, I knew it. What, someone bought Lenzi also? Oh my god, no, but that's fine, we'll do it. We'll try to do it guys. 2 or 3 people reached there, but it's okay. Okay, so if I can't complete this, then the title will be the same. They're trying to complete Tower of Hell part 3. Okay, and guys, I got my community tabs guys. I got my community tab. Okay, so I will keep posting there many posts. Okay, so keep seeing that tab. Make sure to like all, and if I post voting, then please vote in all guys, vote. Okay, so now we'll come over here. Only like half of 5 minutes is 2 minutes 50 seconds. No, 2 minutes 30 seconds. Yeah, so now we'll almost be there, but that's fine. Okay, I'm trying to complete it as fast as I can. What just happened? Okay, I think I got saved, but that's good. Yeah, let's go. Whoa. So I need to come over here. Let's come over here, move here. Okay, I can see you here. Yeah, no, I forgot I can jump also. I forgot I can jump. So let's come over here. Okay. If I don't, oh no. Okay, yeah. Thank God I came over here. If I don't complete it, then next round also there's a hope. But if someone buys in, actually all of the others don't work that much. Only a mutator which works is actually invincibility. That actually works. Okay, into 4 it is. Into 4 the speed is no, it's into 4 speed. But that's fine. I'm in second last one. I can complete it. Into 8. No. Into 8. Oh my god. I can't complete it, guys. Only 1 minute and that's also into 8. I can't complete it, really. So let it be. We can't. Okay. Okay, so I couldn't complete it. So now this is the next round. Okay. So the title will be trying to complete Tower of Hell Part 3. Okay. If this video gets 100 likes, then this series will be going on and on until I finish Tower of Hell. Okay. So this will go on until I finish. Okay. If this video gets 100 likes. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Get this video 100 likes and okay, and you guys can get Tower of Hell Part 4. So now we'll see. Now we'll come here, guys. Make sure to follow my Twitter account, and guys follow my Instagram account also, guys. Follow my Instagram account, guys. I'll post the link over here, and the link is also in community tab. Okay, I'll post it right now. Okay. Oh no, guys, no. That's fine. So okay, so let's see. We'll come over here. Yeah, good. Let's come over here. Yes. So let's see. Oh no. Oh yeah. Thank God we did it. Oh no. Oh my god, guys. Only 6 minutes and 20 seconds left. That's fine. We'll try to complete it. Let's come over here. Yeah. So guys, once I do face reveal at 1500 subscribers. Okay, remember, face reveal at 1500 subscribers. So you can there will be face cam. Okay, face cam in all the videos. Okay, some videos like if I couldn't put my face cam on, then it's okay. So let's come over here. Oh no. I reached till the second only. I didn't reach till third one. I want to reach till there at least. Okay, we are here. Let's come over here. Oh no, man. No. Okay, it's okay. So let's go over here. Let's come over here. Yeah. Oh, what? Oh my god, we died, guys. We died. Okay, but that's fine. It's totally good. But let's see, only 5 minutes left, guys. Only 5 minutes left. But that's okay, guys. We can do it, I guess. Yeah, okay, we made it till here. Now let's come over here. Good. I need to climb that ladder now. Let's climb that ladder. No, we didn't do it. But that's fine. Only 4 minutes 40 seconds left. Oh no. But that's fine. Okay. Okay, guys. This is Stan Play 12, guys. She's my friend. Okay. Shout out to her. Okay. So she's in my school and apartment. Okay. So shout out to her, guys. She also has a YouTube channel. Okay, I'll post the link in the description below, guys. The link is in the description below. Subscribe her channel, guys. Subscribe her channel. So let's go over here. Yes. Now guys, let's come over here. Okay, we made it till here. Okay, we did it till here. That's good, that's good. Yes, we did it till here. Yes, this is the third one, I guess. Third one. So let's come over here, over here, over here. Oh no, we fell guys, we fell, but that's fine, we are over here only. We fell from here. Okay, okay, then let's come over here, over here, over here. Good, we made it till here. Good, good. And 3 minutes 15 seconds left. Good, we did it till here. Over here, over here. Let's go over here, over here. Oh no, okay, but that's fine. That's fine, that's fine. That's fine actually. Okay, let's come over here, over here, over here, over here. Yes, 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 we made it till fourth one. It's the same one. How will I complete it now? Okay, because I couldn't complete it. That one took me too long to complete it. Okay, 2 minutes 30 seconds left. 2 minutes 30 seconds left. Let's come over here, over here, over here. That's really good. Now let's come over here. Okay, this one is over in this stage. Few I'll tell you. Right now it's easy, but something now will come difficult. Now this is difficult, the moving one. Okay, we are in the second last one and 2 minutes left. So actually I die every time in this. I only completed this one time. Okay, no way. Oh my god, we took so much time to reach till there now. Oh my god guys, oh my god, but that's fine. Okay, I can't make it guys, it's only 1 minute 40 seconds. We can't make it, but we can at least try. Let's try. Okay, so now guys, follow my Instagram account and Twitter account. Both the links are in the description below. Okay, both the links are in the description below. Okay, click on that link and make sure to follow it. Okay, let's come over here. And guys, subscribe my other channel also. Subscribe my other channel. Okay, subscribe my other channel guys. Now we'll come over here, over here, over here. Good. All the links are in the description below. Oh yes, someone bought this. Yes. Yes, now at least we can try. Yes, that's good. Guys, make sure to subscribe my other channel. Okay, the link in the description below. It's called AA Vlogs. Okay, subscribe that channel. And guys, subscribe Stanplay 12's channel. I think so she left the game, but it's okay, you saw her. Okay, so subscribe her channel. The link is in the description below. And guys, please guys, make sure to follow my Instagram and Twitter account. All the links are in the description below. Okay, and guys, there's a super thing in Twitter. You know Hello It's VG, right? You know Hello It's VG. So yeah, he has 550k subscribers in YouTube, and he has many followers on Twitter. So he has been following me in Twitter guys. Check his channel. Okay, check his channel guys. His name is Hello It's VG and other channel name is Hello It's Vinay. So guys, he oh my god, oh my god, he's been following me in Twitter guys. He's following me in Twitter. I'm like, oh, that once I saw his Hello It's VG has followed you on Twitter. You can check my followers and you'll see him. You'll see him guys, literally. Okay, he has oh my, I was literally, I was in shock guys. I was in shock. Did Hello It's VG really followed me or not? Oh my god. So we made it till here. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Oh my god, only 1 minute left. We need to do it a bit fast. 59 oh no, we died over here, guys. We died over here. We can't make in 50 seconds. That's impossible. 50 seconds will take only that second level. Like right now we are coming over here, and now 40 seconds left, and this level will take only 35 seconds. So 5 seconds, what will I do? See, so let it be. So guys, make sure to like this video, subscribe my channel, and hit the notification bell, guys. Okay, share this video and comment on this video, guys. Okay, like this video till 100, get this video till 100 likes, and I will do same and part 4, guys, part 4. So let's see. So make sure, okay, to subscribe my other channel. Okay, and make sure to check the community tabs, guys. Make sure to check community tabs. I will be posting many things over there. Okay, bye guys, have fun, enjoy, bye.